Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple cheese omelet for yourself for breakfast. And the only things you're going to need is 1 tablespoon of margarine that I'll be melting in this pan. You can use less if you want to. I've got 1 egg here that I have scrambled up or mixed up with a little bit of salt and pepper and some cheddar cheese. Break that up so it melts a little faster. You can use olive oil too, or whatever, canola, whatever you want. I just like to put margarine so I don't have to add any later on top. Once this gets all melted, I'm just going to pour the egg on top of it. Like that, and wait for it to start cooking. I don't think I heated up my pan quite enough for it to cook immediately. Sometimes it's really fast, but you can see how it's starting to cook. And you're just going to leave it like that. And turn it around. You can poke holes in it and pop the bubbles if you want to. Just make sure you cover them back up with the egg mixture so you won't have any holes in your omelet. I don't try to make a perfect omelet either. I don't care if it has any holes in it. That's just my personal preference. Once it looks like most of the egg has stopped like moving around, I'm just going to sprinkle some cheddar on there. You could put other stuff in here too. Vegetables, bacon, sausage, whatever you want, but I'm just making this cheese omelet. So you just take it like that and fold it in half, pat it down. You see I have a little hole right there, but I don't care. I'm going to cook it on this side. Just for a little bit. And now we're going to get under it and flip it. To the other side. Cook it about the same amount of time on this side. And voila, it is done. Turn that off. And here's my omelet. Right there. And I'm going to cut me off a piece. I came to the table to sit down to enjoy the rest of my omelet, but you can see in here that the cheese is all nice and melty. And this omelet is absolutely delicious. It's so good. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click that like button. Save to your watch later if you want to save the recipe. And subscribe if you haven't already. Click that bell for notifications and have a blessed day. Thank you for watching.